Hello everyone, my name is Shefali Sudhakar Kadam and my topic is formula used in numerical problem of chromatography. So here we start. So the first formula is plate count. So the plate count of the chromatographic column is given by number of plates is equals to 16 T by W the whole square, or we can use N is equals to 5.54 T by W half the whole square, where T stands for retention time of the substance, W is width of the peak at its base obtained by extrapolating the relative straight side of the peak to the baseline, and W half is equals to width of the peak at the half height obtained directly by electronic integrators. Now the second formula is for standard deviation of N. So N is number of plate. So standard deviation is equals to root summation xi minus x the whole square divided by n minus 1, where xi stands for plate of column, x is equals to mean of plate, and n is equals to number of plates. Now the third formula is plate height of the column. So plate height of the column is given by h is equals to L by n, where h stands for height equivalence to the theoretical plates, L is equals to length of the column bed, n is equals to number of theoretical plates. Now the next formula is for retention factor. So the retention factor is denoted by K dash. So K dash is equals to TR minus TM divided by TM. So TR is equals to retention time, TM is equals to total time of the mobile phase within the column. Next is distribution constant. So the distribution constant is denoted by K. So K is equals to K dash Vm divided by Vs, where Vm stands for volume of mobile phase within the column, Vs is equals to volume of stationary phase, and K dash is equals to retention factor. Now the next formula is resolution Rs. So the resolution Rs of species B and species C is given by Rs is equals to 2 in bracket Tr of species C minus Tr of species B is divided by Wc plus Wb, where Rs is equals to resolution, TRC is equals to time resolution of species C, and TRB is equals to time resolution of species B, and Wc is equals to time peak of width 1 and Wb is equals to time peak of width 2. Now the next formula is for selectivity factor. So selectivity factor is denoted by alpha. So alpha is equals to Tr of species C minus Tm divided by Tr of species B minus Tm, where Tr is equals to time resolution of species C, TRB is equals to time resolution of species B, and Tm is equals to total time of the mobile phase within the column. Now the next formula is length of the column necessary to give a resolution of 1.5. So resolution Rs is equals to root n divided by 4 into alpha minus 1 divided by alpha into k dash b divided by 1 plus k dash b, where n stands for number of plates, alpha is equals to selectivity factor, and k dash b is retention factor of species B. And the last formula is the time required to separate species B and C with a resolution of 1.5. So TRB of species B is equals to 16 Rs square H divided by mu. So in bracket alpha divided by alpha minus 1 into alpha divided by alpha minus 1 into in bracket 1 plus k dash b the whole square divided by k dash b the square, where TRB is equals to time resolution of species B, H is equals to plate height, Rs is equals to resolution, alpha is equals to selectivity factor, K dash B is equals to retention factor of species B, and mu is equals to linear velocity. So these formulas are used to solve the numerical problem of chromatography. Thank you.